Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to change username in Instagram on your iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video carefully till the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the Instagram app on your iPhone or iPad. Then open your profile in the bottom right corner. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars. Then Settings and Privacy. Here we select Meta Account Center. Next we select Profiles, and here we select your Instagram. Here we have Name, Username, Profile, Avatar. Click on Username, and in order to change it, we add letters or we delete letters. We rewrite it. We add periods, underscores, whatever. And then when we've saved it, we press Done. That's how easy it is to change your username on Instagram. If this video helped you and you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.